Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Zigzag's English teaching again. Today, we are going to look at the Year 6, Unit 6, Hello 999, page 53, and we are going to practice our listening and speaking skills. So, boys and girls, please take out your English textbook, page 53. Before we start our lesson today, you have to know what is your learning objectives. So, by the end of this video, you will be able to take part in a telephone conversation with an emergency medical dispatcher to ask for help, and you will be able to follow the emergency medical dispatcher's instruction. 同学们，今天呢，你们的这个学习目标呢，就是你们将会参与一个和 EMD Emergency Medical Dispatcher 的电话对话，来请求他的帮忙。然后呢，你们将会听从这个 Emergency Medical Dispatcher 的指示，也就是说，你们将会学会参与这个电话对话和学会听从 EMD 的指示。那么什么是 EMD Emergency Medical Dispatcher 呢？OK， 你们可以看回我之前的视频，也就是这个 Unit 6 Hello 999的整堂课的这个 vocabulary 生词的这个视频，你们可以来这个右上角 I 这边点击一下找这个视频哦，这个 Unit 6 Hello 999 vocabulary 的这个视频。So now, boys and girls, please listen to the conversation below. This is a conversation between Sam, an operator, and between Sam and emergency medical dispatcher. 同学们，现在呢，我们将聆听这一个电话的对话。这是一通 Sam 和 operator， 还有 Sam 和 emergency medical dispatcher 的这个电话对话。Alright， 我们马上开始吧。999 emergency, may I help you? Yes, I need an ambulance. My grandfather fell down the staircase and he is unconscious. OK， 所以呢，这个 Sam 就打电话到这个紧急的这个服务，然后这个 operator 也就是这个接线员就说999 emergency, may I help you? 我可以帮你吗 ？Sam 就说是的，我需要一辆 ambulance。My grandfather fell down the staircase. 我的爷爷跌倒了，从这一个楼梯跌下来。He is unconscious. OK， 所以 what is unconscious？ 你们可以看回之前的视频。OK， now is a telephone conversation between emergency medical dispatcher and Sam. What is your address? 25 Jalan Mas, Taman Intan. What's your name and telephone number? I'm Sam. My number is 2356-8785. Alright. Turn on the lights inside and outside of your house. Make sure the front door is open and unlocked. Take out any medicines your grandfather takes. Keep your pets locked up. We'll be there as soon as possible. Thank you. Please hurry. OK， 所以呢，这边呢就是这个 EMD 跟 Sam 的这个对话。EMD 就说 What's your address？ 你的地址是什么 ？Sam 就说25号 Jalan Mas Taman Intan。What's your name and telephone number？ 我是 Sam， 我的号码是23568785。Alright， 好。Turn on the lights inside and outside of your house， 就是把你的灯打开，屋内的灯 inside and outside， 屋外的灯都打开。Make sure the front door is open and unlocked。就是你要确保 ，make sure 就是确保这个 front door 就是这个门口前门是 open 的，就是打开的，还有没有上锁的 ，unlock 就是没有上锁的。Take out any medicine your grandfather takes， 就是把所有的你的这个爷爷的这个药物都拿了出来。Keep your pets locked up， 把你的宠物keep your pets 就是你的宠物 lock up， 就是说把它锁起来。And we'll be there as soon as possible， 我们就会尽快的到那边。As soon as possible 就是尽快。OK，Thank you, please hurry， 谢谢你，请赶快。OK。所以呢，这个就是 Sam 跟 EMD 的对话，你们听清楚了吗？老师再重复一遍哦。OK，999 emergency, may I help you? Yes, I need an ambulance. My grandfather fell down the staircase. He is unconscious. What's your address? 25 Jalan Mas, Taman Intan. What's your name and telephone number? I'm Sam. My number is 23568785. Alright, turn on the lights inside and outside of your house. Make sure the front door is open and unlocked. Take out any medicines your grandfather takes. Keep your pets locked up. We'll be there as soon as possible. Thank you. Please hurry. Alright, 同学们 So, we need this emergency call service. So please be considerate. Do not make hoax call to 999. So, 同学们，你们必须 considerate， 就是替人着想，不要do not make hoax call to 999， 不要做这个 hoax call to 999。So what is hoax call？ 就是这个诈骗电话，你们不要打这个诈骗电话来去这个999哦，因为这个999是 emergency service 紧急服务，很多人都是在这个紧急的时候需要到这个服务，所以我们千万要替人着想 ，be considerate。Alright, boys and girls, now you have to roleplay the telephone conversation with your friend, and then you act out what the emergency medical dispatcher tells you to do. You may use your own personal details and change the emergency situation. OK， 同学们呢，现在呢，你们就要 roleplay 就是角色扮演这个电话对话，你们可以跟你们的朋友 with your friend or your family if you are at home, so you can role play the telephone conversation with your family. OK， 你们可以跟你们的家人角色扮演这个电话的对话，然后呢 act out what the emergency medical dispatcher tell you to do. OK， 你们可以把这个 EMD 叫你们做的事情演出来 act out 就是演出来。You may use your own personal details， 你们可以用你们自己的资料 and change the emergency situation. OK， 好，我们可以用这个 emergency situation OK， 就是紧急的这个情况。OK， so now imagine your sister could not move， 你的姐姐或妹妹不可以移动。Imagine your sister could not move because she slipped and fell. She slipped and fell in the bathroom. Work with a friend or work with your family member. Act out your emergency telephone conversation. Use the pictures and words to help you. Okay, number one is do not try to move her. Don't move her. Do not try to move her. Put a blanket over her to keep her warm. And make sure the front door is open and unlocked. OK， 同学们，你们现在呢可以幻想你们的这个姐姐或妹妹不可以动，因为呢她 slip and fell in the bathroom。现在呢你就 work with a friend， 你可以跟你的朋友合作，或者是跟你的家人 act out your emergency telephone conversation， 就是说你们演出来这个 emergency telephone conversation。Use the picture and words to help you. Do not try to move her. 不要尝试移动她。Put a blanket over her to keep her warm. 把这一个 blanket 放在她的身上 ，keep her warm， 让她保暖。And make sure the front door is open and unlocked. 就是你要确保你们的这个前门是打开的，还有没有上锁的。Alright, boys and girls. Before you roleplay the dialogue, you can write this conversation or dialogue into your exercise book 1. Okay, after that you just role play the dialogue and act out the emergency medical dispatcher's instructions. So first is the conversation between operator and Sam. 999 emergency, may I help you? Yes, I need an ambulance. My grandfather fell down the staircase and he is unconscious. Okay, you can change this into the situation that your sister could not move because she slipped and fell. Okay. So my sister couldn't move and blah blah blah. Okay, then is the conversation between EMD and Sam. What's your address? 25 Jalan Mas, Taman Intan. So this is the personal detail of Sam. You can change it into your own. If you don't want, it's okay too. It's alright. And now we look here, EMD. Alright, turn on the lights inside and outside of your house. Make sure the front door is open and unlocked. So this sentence is the same with the words given to you just now. So we can we can use this sentence. Okay, But here, take out any medicines your grandfather takes. Keep your pets locked up. We'll be there as soon as possible. This one, take out any medicine your grandfather takes. We have to change this sentence because it's not your grandfather, it's your sister now. So we have to change these sentences into do not try to move her and put a blanket, blah blah blah. Okay, you fill in the blanks and then you just role play the dialogue and act out what the emergency medical dispatcher instructions. Okay, the rest of the conversation you can use it and you can just role play it. OK，同学们，你们必须先把这一个老师写的这一个对话写进你们的这个E1先 exercise book 1，然后你们再 role play 这一个对话，也就是说你们在角色扮演这个对话，然后再演出这一个 EMD 这一边这个 EMD 叫你们做的事情，就是说呢，你们的这个姐姐或妹妹不能够动，因为她跌倒了，在这个浴室跌倒。OK， 然后 EMD 就叫你做什么？把灯屋内跟屋外的灯打开来，然后 make sure the front door is open and locked， 就是说把这个前门打开来，不要上锁，然后 do not try to move her， 不要尝试移动她，然后 put a blanket over her to keep her warm， 就是放一个 blanket， 就是这个被子在她的身上 ，OK， 让她保暖。OK， 你们可以跟你们的家人，你的姐姐或妹妹，或者是你的哥哥或弟弟来扮演这一个电话的对话。Alright. That's the end of our lesson today. Boys and girls, do you enjoy our lesson today? If you enjoy, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and turn on the notification button as well. Our channel also provides some videos about arts, Malay nursery rhymes and songs, the teaching of Google Classroom, and many more.